She's got her own channel and I absolutely love her channel, and it's literally like a maxi dress. I've actually used the pattern. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I thought I'd come on and review some sewing patterns that I'm looking to do throughout the next couple of months. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I come on and talk about weekly tips, tricks and advice on how you can really succeed in your handmade business. Now, I've been online and I've just been seeing a lot of people out there using so many different resources to create beautiful clothing and things like that. And so I've decided that I want to do a challenge where I want to start sewing patterns just to kind of boost my own experience in sewing. So what I've decided to do, I had a look online and I've seen so many people that review all different types of patterns, but I decided to review Mimi G style. Now she's got her own channel and I absolutely love her channel. I love her website. I love her ethos. I love how she styles her clothes, matching with her shoes. She's just ace. Like, she looks good. So I was like, I want to try some of that. I've got a few patterns here that I went on and I bought, and I love the way how she does sew-alongs as well. So if you go on her channel, you'll see she does sew-alongs where you can make all these different dresses and tops and bottoms, and it's just like, yeah, I can actually make it. I can go to the shop, buy some material, and then set up my machine, cut up. She goes through everything. She cuts up all the patterns. She says, right, you need this piece, you need 2 of these, you need interfacing with this. Oh, she's really cool. I really love her. So I'm going to review I bought 4 patterns, and I just wanted to review the patterns with you. So the first one here I've got is the Mimi G 8084 pattern, and it's literally like a maxi dress. Well, you can obviously make it into a maxi or like a mini dress, and I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. But yeah, she's got 3 different styles that you can do, and yeah, I love that one. I thought I really want to try and make something like that. It's nice to just kind of hang out with friends. Maybe you're just going into town or whatever, a nice lunch date dress or whatever. So I thought that was quite nice, that one. The next one I love is the 1167 style pattern, which is she's got the suit. What you can wear it in 3 different ways. You can wear it as a trouser suit with the blouse, or you can also wear it with just the trousers with the shorts as well. And again, I absolutely love this. This is so nice. It's so chic, and it just looks really classy. So again, I'm looking to make something like that. I don't know which style. I could probably see myself in the trouser suit. Yeah, but again, love that piece. That pattern is really nice. This one is the 8394, which is the skirt and a nice sort of like summery spaghetti top, and really easy to make. When I was watching the sew along, I thought this one would be quite easy to make. It's just a simple skirt with the split in the bottom, and then you've got a little ruffle, and then the top again is, you know, it's just got a little tie there. But again, really sexy. She really carries it off really well, and it's like, when you look at the way she can just cut material up and make the dress, you think anyone can do this. So absolutely love that one. Now this last one, I've actually used the pattern, but I'll show you what it is first. It's the 8136, which is sort of like summery yellow, and she's made it in 2 different designs, yellow and orange, where she's got a peplum top. You know me, I love my peplums. A peplum top with sort of like ankle length trousers, and she's also got the peplum with the crossback and shorts to go with it. So she's, you know, she's giving you obviously 2 different looks there, and yeah, it really carries off really well. Now what I've done, I actually used the top, I've actually cut up the top half to make my daughter's dress. I made the dress, but I used the pattern for the top to make the top part of the dress, and then I just done a box pleat for the skirt, and I just sewed it together. And so I've actually used this one, that's why you can see it's a bit open there. But yeah, I really like that one. So yeah, I've already kind of started my small little challenge journey into patterns, and yeah, I hope you can come on this journey with me. I've been seeing a lot of trends going around with all these different patterns, so I will be sort of like updating you on terms of what patterns are the trends and what is kind of popular at the moment. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please comment, subscribe, share as well, that would be really great. And yeah, I'll be back with another video. Thanks guys, bye.